Yeah, we're gonna have to kind of pause there.
I would rather hit my grades.
Before DTC, I thought that engineering was a lot of numbers, math, science, and after I realized that it's also about putting yourself inside the user's shoes.
Identify what are the problems that arise in the process.
Design thinking is a method for devising an innovative solution to an open-ended problem.
DTC was the reason I ended up applying to Northwestern, because I got a chance to really think about the concepts that I was learning in my calculus classes and my engineering classes and actually put them to work.
Design thinking and communication, which we call DTC, is a foundational course in our engineering curriculum that all of our engineering undergraduates take.
It combines design and the design process with the communication skills necessary to explain their designs, to connect their designs with the people who will be using them.
We partner with community members and organizations who provide a structured, real problem.
Shirley Ryan Ability Lab has had a long-standing partnership with DTC and has partnered on a variety of different problems. Anything from a device to help someone put their pants on, to a device that helps someone with nail care, to an adaptive video game controller.
Envision Unlimited is an organization that serves adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. The specific challenge that we brought to DTC was a kickstand for a tandem bicycle, because the vast majority of kickstands that we have existing on our fleet have failed us.
Oh, that's the real test, right?
We got to walk through the engineering process with a variety of different projects, and once you see where it's going to be used, who's going to be using it, ideas just start flowing.
The shop in the Ford Design Center is a magical place. There's so much productivity, there's so much discovery.
We could probably use even a more aggressive grid, right?
We have dedicated shop professionals who help train the students on how to use the equipment.
The shop is also where the theoretical becomes real.
To have the space to actually push something from, an iPad screen or a piece of paper to a tangible prototype, that was a really great opportunity.
DTC is a great source of innovation, of fresh thinking.
And then this allows him to doff his shirt without using his hands.
DTC showed me that you can start at your first quarter, be able to design something that someone can use.
In theory, anyone can come up with an idea. Anyone can go through the process. But DTC really taught me how to think with other people, how to communicate with other people.
10 weeks ago, you signed up for a course. Most likely hadn't had anything like this before. I love seeing a student start with an idea and give them the ability to confidently go out and explore that to its fullest. And you have accomplished way more than you maybe didn't realize 10 weeks ago. I see it start there, and it only grows over the multiple years that they're here.